Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put together the Baseball Stars card from Simply Crafty SVGs. So first, it's a real simple card. You have the top panels, the card. There's an inside optional panel as well. I don't show that here. And then the baseball that we'll put on the front. So all you do is go ahead and glue the front baseball cutout to the back red one, or whatever color you want in the background. You can make the color of teams, baseball teams if you like. And the red's a little bit smaller so it doesn't overlap, so you can't see it from the other side. So go ahead and place it on there, center it. Pretty simple card. Looks like the ball's being thrown with the little stars. It was just a little fun card that was in my brain. I had to get it out. We're going to glue this top panel, cutout panel, to the larger color panel on the back, which I selected blue. And that back panel is a little bit smaller than the front as well, so it doesn't stick out, but you can see I didn't center it right. So be careful. You might want to do it like we did the red, where you center it. I was just pushing it over so you can't see it from the front. Again, you can get quite colorful in the background. Do whatever you like. And that panel, once it's secured and glued together, will go on the front of the card, as well as the ball, as you can see. So we'll just finish this off. So it would be fun to add some embellishments to the front, add your own sentiment. There's no words included to the file because you can use it for any occasion, really. We're just going to go center that on the front of the card. Then I used a foam tape, a little thick double-sided foam tape, so I can get a little dimension and it's popped up, and just put those stitches aligned with the stars. I thought it looked good, like it's a flying baseball. So go ahead and add your own embellishment, and on the upper right and the upper left, anything you want, and it's all ready to go. Thank you for watching.